Good day, everybody. This is Sunday, the 17th of February, 2019, and right now it's time for J7409 weather. Yes, we have a heavy band of snow in Iowa. I don't know, for those of you who follow me the other day, I said, looks like Iowa is going to be the state that gets a lot along with Missouri. And a couple of weeks ago, I said that for Wisconsin, and that's what proved to be true. I don't know if this proves to be true or not. This, of course, is the NAM 12K near surface reflectivity map, and it's courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. Thank you, Levi. But things are happening in this area this morning, so let's get right to it. Now, right now, there is moderate to heavy snow over northern Iowa this morning. Now, this band of moderate to heavy snow is going to continue to move north-northeast this morning and cause significant travel concerns. Many roads remain snow covered and even not advised to travel on this morning. They're even not advised to travel on this morning. I know a lot of you might be out and about and some going to church. Please, you need to check on the road conditions before you go out. Snowfall amounts of 4 to 7 inches are forecast with this snow band. Further south, areas of freezing drizzle are possible before all of this precipitation switches back over to snow across the central and southern parts of the state. Now, an additional 1 to 2 inches is possible along and south of Interstate 80. The snow is expected to gradually taper off from the southwest late this morning to the northeast by mid to late afternoon hours. And of course, you are under a winter weather advisory in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. Snow, moderate to heavy at times, along and north of Highway 20. In this location, additional snow accumulations of 3 to 5 inches with locally higher amounts possible. Further south, an additional inch of new snow is possible. Areas of freezing drizzle can be expected at times as well. Once again, and you see, this is much of Iowa. Now, this is through 6 p.m. Central Standard Time tonight. The precipitation will gradually weaken and taper off late this morning into the afternoon hours from the south to the north. So please, if you are out and about and you need to go somewhere this morning, please, if you're in any of these areas of Iowa, and it's most of that, as you just saw right there, much of Iowa, please check your road conditions before you start out. This NAM map runs through the next 2.5 days. So let's turn it on. Let me tell you what's going to be happening, my friends. Snow will also be making weather headlines from the Dakotas to the greater Chicago area as a surface low tracks from the Arkansas, Louisiana, Texas region to the Ohio Valley through tonight. Now, the convergence from an inverted trough axis and an approaching shortwave aloft is going to result in a swath of 2 to 5 inches of snow with locally heavier amounts for these areas. Winter weather advisories are in effect for these areas. Frigid temperatures, once again, are expected from Montana to the Dakotas, with highs in the single digits and teens, with a large Arctic surface high governing the weather pattern. That's what's governing all this weather right now. It's a large Arctic surface high. Now, across the southeast of the United States, a aforementioned surface low that I was just talking about over Arkansas this morning is going to track toward the central Appalachians, and then it's going to reform off the east coast by sometime tomorrow. Now, there will likely be a corridor of 1 inch or greater rainfall from Alabama to the southern Appalachians, followed by the return of cooler conditions for the beginning of the week. Now, we got some light snow expected across southern New England as a secondary low forms near the coast, but it is not expected to become a major storm event at this time. It could change, but right now it's looking like it won't. Now, conditions are going to continue to be cold and unsettled for the western U.S., through the remainder of today, right on into Monday, as an upper level trough becomes established over this region. A strong shortwave impulse pivoting around this trough is going to lead to a favorable pattern for moderate to heavy mountain snow, with the Mongolian rim of Arizona and the southern Colorado area through northern New Mexico Rockies. They're expected to have the heaviest snow through Tuesday morning, and the potential exists for these people around 8 to 16 inches of snow, and this is for the higher mountain ranges. Now, the recent heavy snow for the Sierra Nevada will become lighter in intensity and coverage. That's what it's looking like. Now, early this morning, we see where the watches and warnings are. Everything in pink, winter storm warning. Everything in blue, winter weather advisory. Yes, you're going to get some snow. The heaviest is right in here, as I've just explained to you in the beginning here. We do have down in Missouri lots of snow going on, so let's check it out for you folks. For portions of east central and northeast Kansas and central, north central, northeast, and northwest and west central Missouri, you are under this winter weather advisory in effect until 9 a.m. this morning. You still got a chance of getting 1 to 3 inches of snow accumulation, with the highest snowfall totals near the Iowa border. Ice accumulations of a few hundredths of an inch. This is until 9 a.m. Central Standard Time this morning for portions of east central, northeast Kansas, and central, north central, northeast, northwest, and west central Missouri. And yes, besides snow, we got a big chance of some flooding probably that's going to happen at some point. The entire state of Tennessee, portions of Kentucky, northern Alabama, and the northern sections of Mississippi, a little bit of Arkansas. What's happening in Tennessee, especially over in the western side, it's the Tennessee River. Now, it may not be flooding now, but by Thursday it's going to be. Most of these areas in here have a chance of receiving, over the week by Thursday, anywhere from 8 to 10 inches of rain. Hopefully the system will change in direction a little bit. At my house, it's showing nothing, but folks, it's not raining right now, but it's raining off and on very, very hard at times. I mean, inches and bucketfuls when it rains. And it started yesterday, and it's not going to quit raining until Thursday at the earliest. So please, these systems moving through, everybody in these areas here, if you see any water on the road, don't go through it. Turn around, find another way, because once it starts rising, it's going to continue to rise right on through at least Thursday for all you guys right in this area. That's the way it looks now. Please be safe and careful. As I said earlier, the cold single digits, maybe teens, are going to be out here in Montana, the central areas of it for the most part. We do have some higher elevation chances of snow in northern New Mexico here. Also, as you come up into Colorado and Arizona, you can see where the winter storm warnings are. They're in pink, as I said earlier. That's where the heaviest of the snow will happen. Also in the California area on the edge of Nevada, as you can see right in here. Other than that, we have anywhere from 2 to 4 inches in most places in these colored areas here. One more thing I want to check out right quick that I know looks like may be coming before the week is over. As I look ahead, I just picked a town. There's no way I can do every single body. You guys know that. But when it comes to northern New Jersey, say midway latitude of the state, some snow and ice is going to happen. This is for New Brunswick, New Jersey. And right now, yeah, it's in the 30s. Not too bad. Not too bad at all for you guys. And the winds are fairly calm. Looking like rain tomorrow, but it's also looking like it's going to start out as snow. You could get an inch of snow starting tonight lasting right till around 1 a.m. in the morning, then back to rain. But then what happens is this. As the system moves across, Monday's not looking too, or Tuesday rather, is not looking bad at all. But when we get to Wednesday morning, commute time, 7 a.m., the snow's probably going to start, and it's going to increase throughout the day till around 6, with a little more snow coming in after 6 all the way up till around 9 or 10 that evening. By 7 p.m., you're going to have freezing rain mixed in with it, along with sleet. Okay? And that's going to carry through. The freezing rain and sleet's going to carry right through until the sleet till around 4 a.m. Thursday morning, the freezing rain till at least 6 a.m. on Thursday morning. Same thing's going to happen over in Long Island, New York, and that section of New York City for the most part. Temperatures today, as you can see, looking pretty okay in the 30s for the most part. We got some rain down here, but later this evening around 7 p.m. it's going to start out as snow, and it's going to increase right on through around midnight. Then we got this system coming through. It's going to warm up just a hair. You're going to get some rain to continue right on through around 2 or 3 tomorrow afternoon. Also, with this mixture, before it turns over and that freezing rain line gets to you, you will have 100% chance from 1 a.m. till around 3 p.m. of sleet for tonight. Tuesday, you should get a break, but then by Wednesday, just like the other place in New Jersey I showed you, you're going to get snow again. You're going to get freezing rain again, very likely, sleet mixed in it. This is going to be not quite too bad on the snow, maybe an inch, half inch, something like that, starting around 8 p.m. on Wednesday, but it will increase too far out, so you can't get the amounts now. You can't get them. That's why when you look at these maps like the GFS map and even the European map, when it goes out beyond, like today is Sunday and this is on Wednesday, when it goes out further than 24 to 48 hours, you know what's coming, but you have no idea how much, because these systems can change. But this is what it's looking like now for you guys in Long Island and sections of New York City. We got freezing rain more than likely right on through 7 a.m. Thursday morning. We got sleet Wednesday from around 8 p.m. to around 2 a.m. mixed in with it, and then things should start to clear up. Wrapping it up, so far as severe thunderstorms coming up from the Gulf down into the southern sections in here, we do have a chance of some. You can see them right in here. This is Tuesday. Tuesday morning they may start. We'll have to wait and see what happens here. We'll move it along to Tuesday afternoon. You can see that some of them are dwindling up, but they're still out there, so be aware. Then in Louisiana, around 9 p.m. Tuesday night, we do have that chance. When it starts to turn orange, you do have a chance of some severe weather coming your way. And by Wednesday, wow, check it out. Louisiana, Mississippi, and parts of Arkansas. That's a big swath right there. I'll check it out when the days get closer by. If those storm cells have any bows in them, they could produce tornadoes. I'm not saying they are at this point. We'll have to wait and see. We will move up to Wednesday afternoon at 6 p.m. and then, wow, look, here comes that rain. Remember me telling you, flooding in Tennessee. Thursday is when it probably will at least still be hanging around and be at its highest most part. Look at there. And it's going to start and come all the way from the west all the way over to the east. So that's a check of your weather today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. Comment. Give me a like if you choose to do so. I'd appreciate it so very much. I love all of you guys. I hope all of you stay safe during this weather. It's a wonder Mother Nature hasn't blowed up, huh? Take care of yourselves. Peace, love, and kindness to each of you. Have yourself a good day, a safe day, a blessed day, and thanks for watching.